kids, today we'll be drawing a cute little car and also we'll be coloring it. So come on kids, take out your pen, pencil and start drawing it with me.
Wow!